How to easily create this cool type of hanging text in Canva. Take a design size of 1920 by 1080. Now create individual alphabets with a font of your choice. From the Elements tab, choose this shape, duplicate and align them horizontally. Scale horizontally to fit to screen and adjust the gaps manually. Now choose different colors of your choice and rotate the alphabets as if they are hanging. Scale and adjust. Take a circle and scale them. Place the circles in all the alphabets as if they are hanging from it and match with the background and color. Adjust the alphabet's colors somewhat similar to the background colors and add a shadow. Now take a line and a circle, group them, and place them in the holes. Now this will create an impression of hanging. Cool, it's done.